Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod's Soup Collection. Every Monday from now until the Sky Garden begins in May, I will be posting a new soup recipe. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make it will be down in the description below. If you make this recipe, please let us know how it went. And here we go. Okay, this lemon chicken orzo soup is bright, cozy, and packed with flavor. Tender chicken, silky orzo, fresh lemon, and herbs come together in one comforting bowl. Perfect for weeknights, meal prep, or when you need a cozy homemade soup that still feels fresh and vibrant. Made step by step using simple ingredients and classic techniques. This is a must-have recipe in your soup collection. Alright, we're gonna dice up some onions and some carrots and celery, a classic mirepoix. So you want to cut these all about the same size so they cook evenly. Then we're going to mince a couple of cloves of garlic. We're going to heat the olive oil, or butter if that's what you're using, in a stainless steel pot over medium heat. Then we're going to add our mirepoix, which is diced onions, carrots, and celery. I'm going to cook that for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring occasionally until softened but not browned. Then we're going to add our minced garlic and cook that for about 30 seconds until fragrant. We're going to pour in the chicken stock. Add your chicken breasts or thighs, whichever you're using, and then the salt, pepper, thyme, and oregano. Bring the soup up to a very gentle boil. Then we're going to reduce the heat to a steady simmer. Cover that up and cook for 15 to 18 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and tender. We're going to remove the chicken from the pot and shred that up with 2 forks. Return the chicken and accumulated juices to the pot. Then we're going to stir the orzo into the soup. We're going to simmer that uncovered for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the orzo is tender. Then we're going to stir in the lemon zest and the lemon juice. And we're going to taste and adjust the seasoning with additional salt and pepper as needed. We're going to remove that from the heat and ladle that into bowls. Garnish that with some fresh dill or parsley. Serve hot with crusty bread or crackers. So there it is, lemon chicken orzo soup. So add the lemon at the end to preserve its bright flavor. Orzo will continue to absorb liquid as it sits. Add extra stock when reheating. Chicken thighs provide a richer flavor, and breasts keep it lighter. For extra richness, without cream, finish with a small knob of butter. To make a creamy version of this soup, you can add cream near the end and gently stir that in. So you can store that in the refrigerator in an airtight container for up to 4 days, or you can freeze it without the orzo for up to 3 months, then add the orzo in when you're reheating it. Reheat gently on the stovetop, adding broth as needed. So there you go. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos here that you can click on to watch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.